Hello everybody, this is Manveen and today's video is rotate array from Leetcode, and this has been tagged as a medium problem, but it is a very simple one. So given an integer array nums, rotate the array to the right by k steps where k is non-negative. So to understand this, let's take an example 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if k is equal to 2, then you'll have to shift the array 2 times towards the right side. That means after the first iteration, the answer would be 4, 1, 2, 3. So 4 gets shifted to the 0th position, 1 gets shifted to the right, and so on and so forth. So this is the first iteration. And for k is equal to 2, we'll have 3, 4, 1, 2. So this would be the final answer. So as per the examples that have been given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the nums array, and k is equal to 3. And the answer is 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So before writing the code, we're going to understand the logic of how to do this. So if you have an array as given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and k is equal to 3. Let's see what happens if you rotate the array entirely. If you reverse the order of the array, you're going to get 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now k is equal to 3. So if you rotate the array from the 0th position to k minus 1, you're going to get the answer as 5, 6, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. And after this, as the last step, you're going to rotate the array from k to n minus 1, where n is the length of the array. So k to n minus 1 would be rotating the array 4, 3, 2, 1. So the answer would be 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So as you can see, we've got the answer. So this is a very intuitive approach. So just to cross check whether we've gotten the right answer or not, let's just shift the entire array 3 times towards the right. And if you do this, 7 is going to be 1, 2, 3. 7 is going to be in 3's position, and so on and so forth. The answer is going to be 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we've gotten the correct answer. So let's start writing the code for this. So at the beginning, we are first going to declare n, and we're going to initialize it with the value of the length of nums. After this, we're going to write k is equal to k modulus n, because supposing the value of k is greater than the value of length, there will be a lot of unnecessary iterations taking place, which means that suppose if we have an array 1, 2, 3, 4 again, and k is equal to 5. So if k is 5, it is greater than the length of the array, that is 4. So if we rotate it 5 times, we are going to get the answer as 4, 1, 2, 3. So this is as good as k is equal to 1. So we don't need to rotate it 5 times. We're going to write a condition where k is equal to k modulus n, which will give us the answer k is equal to 5 modulus 4, and 5 modulus 4 is equal to 1. So having 5 rotations is as good as having 1 rotation only. So if k is greater than the value of your length of the array, then we are going to write this statement k is equal to k modulus n. Now we're going to write those 3 steps, where firstly we are going to rotate the entire array from 0 to n minus 1. Then we are going to rotate the array from 0 to k minus 1. And then finally from k minus 1 to n. So let's write those 3 things. So we've written those 3 statements. And for these 3 statements, we are going to create another function inside the class. And the order in which you write these statements is very important. First, you will rotate the entire array. Then you will rotate the array from 0 to k minus 1. And then from k to n minus 1. Now we're going to write the function rotate array. So we've written the function and we are passing 3 values. The nums array, which changes after each time it enters rotate array, and then int start and int end are the 2 pointers. So we basically need to reverse the array each time we are sending it to rotate array. So start will act as the pointer towards the left and end will act as the pointer towards the end of the array. In order to reverse the 3 things, that is 0 to n minus 1, 0 to k minus 1, and k to n minus 1, we've written a code. Inside the rotate array function, we have written a while loop where we are going to reverse the array from one position to another position. So we have initialized a variable temp as num start, and num start is equal to nums end, and nums end is equal to temp. This is the basic logic to reverse something, and we're going to increment the value of start and decrement the value of end, and that is how you're going to reverse the array. Now let's execute the code. So my test cases have passed, and now let's submit the code. So yeah, all the solutions have passed. So this is how you do this problem. Thanks for watching.